It's just a random piece of luck that I'm here at all, I guess.
Actor Jeff Goldblum grew up knowing that his father, a World War II veteran, had roots in Eastern Europe's vanished Jewish communities. But his father rarely spoke about those roots. And as we began our research, we soon understood why. Jeff's great-grandfather, a man named Zelik Povarchik, immigrated to America in 1911 from a town in the Russian Empire known as Starobin. And soon after his departure, the town was engulfed by a wave of anti-Semitic violence.
The frequent practice of incendiaries to set fire to Jewish houses is keeping the local Jews in a state of panic. I would well imagine I would be also panicked. The townlets, Starobin, Krychev, and Stov, inhabited almost entirely by Jews, have been destroyed by fires.
Zelik had escaped just in time, but he left a great deal of family behind, and they were not so lucky. In June of 1941, Nazi Germany invaded Russia. Within days, German soldiers began to exterminate the Jewish population of Starobin, and almost all of them vanished from the historical record, including many of Jeff's relatives. But there was one exception. Now, this document comes from Yad Vashem, which of course is the Holocaust Memorial in Israel.
I went there, yes.
Could you please read the translated section?
Okay, family name Golan. First name Aaron. Date of birth 1915. Place of birth Turov. Place during the war, the Soviet Armed Forces. Place of death, Russia. Date of death, March 1943. Cause of death, soldier.
Aaron Golan. You never heard that name before?
Never?
He was your great-grandfather, Zelik's grandnephew, meaning that he was your second cousin once removed. And he died fighting in the Soviet army. And remember, the Russians were on the same side of the United States fighting the Germans.
Yes.
He died fighting the Nazis in Orel, a city in Western Russia. What would it have been like for your father to learn this, do you think? You know, they were in the same war at the same time. Your father goes in 44, and he's in 43.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
They certainly knew nothing of each other, I'm sure. But it's moving. It's very moving. It's amazing. I can't thank you enough.
Discovering the stories of our ancestors can be a profoundly transformative experience, changing the way we see ourselves, our families, and our shared history. To see more incredible stories, click here.